temperatures are still hanging on to the freezing mark there. So what you're seeing now is it's rain. Yeah, so above us is liquid coming down, but the ground is still frozen solid. So keep in mind, they did, do some de-icing on some of those roads. So yeah, it may get slushy there, but if this continues to come down and temperatures at the freezing mark, it's just going to get icier
and it's going to be slippery.
Yeah, and it's going to get a lot more slippery out there. Take a look at, if you guys look behind you, you'll see wind just blowing snow behind you. I've been watching that behind you guys quite a bit there. But yeah, we're continuing to see this come on in. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening. And I want to show you where some of the freezing rain has been happening. This is down south from Western Oregon University. This is a live camera there. And look at the trees. Do you notice the icicles hanging on the branches? So we saw that quicker transition over to freezing rain. Right now, not a whole lot of precip coming down. But it's when this ice continues to thicken and grow on the branches, grow on the power lines, that in combination with the wind is when you start to really get problems going where limbs could fall down and maybe even some power outages. So watching that very closely. Still 32 degrees down south in Monmouth. So again, that's near Dallas, down south in the valley there. Here's a live picture from our Eastside Exchange camera. You can see folks going very slowly on the ramps and the bridges. That's where you have to watch out for those icy conditions. We are again in a lull at this point, so we're seeing mainly some freezing drizzle. Temperatures at 31 degrees right now, so we are below freezing. Easterly winds continue steadily at 30 miles an hour, gusting to 35 miles an hour and higher. It feels like 17, and so that easterly wind coming from the gorge is like leaving the refrigerator door open. Even though we're trying to get warmer air in from the south, it's going to make things tougher to warm up in parts of the metro area, northern portions of the valley. Skamania Lodge back through the gorge, you can see the snow coming down here, and we'll likely continue to see that pick up in coverage as we head through the rest of this day and into the evening. Here's the radar, and notice Portland is pretty clear at this point. Vancouver's pretty clear, seeing freezing rain from Battleground up towards Amboy, back towards Scappoose. You head south, and there's another batch of heavier showers developing now just south of Newburgh and over near Woodburn. This is all going to be lifting north, so we'll be watching this band closely. This could add another layer of ice on top of the snow that came down across Portland Metro, back towards Molalla, seeing some of that in the form of rain that is likely freezing on contact back to the gorge. Lighter shower activity at this point, but we're going to see more showers rolling in from the south and a wider view. Again, showing this heavier band moving in now north of Salem that's going to push into Portland, and again, likely in the form of freezing rain. So do expect things to intensify a little bit here, and after that comes through, it could cause a big change to the roads, getting a lot slicker out there. 31 in Portland, 32 in Vancouver, Kelso at 32 as well, and we're still the freezing mark in Salem and Albany, where we've already seen icy conditions develop there. Future radar showing that band of showers rolling through as we head towards 6 p.m. We could see more heavier activity rolling right through the northern portion of the valley in the form of freezing rain. After that, it gets a lot more spotty, and we'll see a slow transition over to rain from the freezing rain. But keep in mind, East Metro and back to the gorge, as long as that east wind is cranking, temperatures stay at freezing and below, and that means icy road conditions. And it doesn't matter, again, if it's liquid falling from the sky, it's going to freeze on contact. As we head through the overnight hours, we continue to see showers come down, but again, at that point, it's mainly in the form of rain, as temperatures will actually go up even though it's dark, because we have that southerly wind that'll be kicking in. Winter storm warnings continue for us. We have light freezing rain showers. That's mainly what we're going to see for the rest of the evening. A quarter of an inch of ice accumulation will be possible. Back to the gorge, snow and even some freezing rain as you head west. Quarter to half an inch of ice on top of the wind, which can cause a lot of problems. And we're looking at 3 to 6 inches. We're dropping those totals just a little bit because the precip is not as heavy, but there still could be in isolated spots that may see a little more than that, because keep in mind, we could see more snow going into Friday through the gorge. It's so cold there. Central Oregon, 3 to 5 inches of snow, breezy, and watching for freezing rain there too. Dropping south of the Willamette Valley, a slow changeover to just plain old rain. The coast, we're seeing the snow and freezing rain have ended, and now we're just watching for cold showers there. Eastern Oregon, we'll continue to see shower activity there as well. Here's a look at your forecast for your Friday. Temperatures go back into the 40s, so it'll be much milder tomorrow. Upper 30s in Bend, but out towards Hood River and the Dalles, it's going to take a little longer to thaw out. And as you head out east on I-84, it is going to stay very tricky for travel with more snow in the forecast out east. 7-day forecast, showers at times on Saturday and Sunday, but a chilly shower activity. And then as we go into the middle part of next week, watching for another cold blast with temperatures back in the mid-30s and maybe some wintry precip with that too.
I saw the little lightning thing you got going on there.
Yeah, so. I mean some intense showers. It'll be tough to get lightning going, but you never know. Maybe a little bolt or two.
Yeah, I think you just wanted to add that in there so you didn't have to put another snowflake.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks, Kristen.